today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Forest River Columbus. This is going to be their 383 RLH floor plan. We're going to start with our basement area. It does go all the way through. You have your water station on the other side as well as your electronic glove lane system. If I take a step back, you can see that we have 2 awnings on the campsite here as well as 1 slide out. You do have slide toppers too, which is a nice upgrade. Solid steps underneath that entry door as well as dual axle on this fifth wheel. If we head on the inside, we're going to start with our kitchen area first. So you have your little coffee bar area when you first walk in. Next to that is going to be your pantry. Cool thing about this pantry is that it has adjustable shelves and it is right next to your residential style refrigerator. If we keep going further into the kitchen, you have your 4-burner cooktop, microwave. You have a massive kitchen island with your single basin sink up in there. Plenty of storage all throughout, as well as a pull-out trash can and cutting board. Right off of your kitchen, you're going to find your entertainment center. This entertainment center has a smart TV. You also have your fireplace down below. A little bit of hidden storage behind that TV as well. And then on the back wall, you're going to find these 2 recliners. Now, these recliners do rock as well as recline. You have a little table in the middle there, as well as some storage up above. And then next to that, you're going to find your couch. This couch is directly across from your entertainment center. It does fold into a bed in case you do have some late night stragglers. And then if we keep going, you have your freestanding dinette. Altogether, this camper comes with 4 chairs for the freestanding dinette, which is really nice to have. You also have a little bit of hidden storage up in there as well. But if we go towards the middle of this fifth wheel, we are going to find your half bath. So you have washer and dryer in here, as well as a massive medicine cabinet. And then check out the ceiling height. It's insane. You have a porcelain toilet in the corner there. And then if we keep moving towards the front, you have your main bedroom. So this is a king size bed. You have night lights, outlets, shelves, windows, storage, everything you could think of that you need around your bed, they got it up in here. You also have some storage underneath the mattress as well. But across from the bed, you're going to find another TV as well as more storage and a couple windows. On the end here, you do have a really nifty pull-out hamper, which is going to come in handy. And then we have your main bath. So you have dual vanity up in here, dual medicine cabinet, nice pop-up outlet. And then on the other side, you're going to find your shower. So the shower is really roomy. You have a skylight up there for some more headroom, a seat. And then next to that is going to be your second porcelain toilet. But we're not done, guys. If we keep moving forward, we're going to have your walk-in closet. So you have a shoe rack up in here, nice clothing rod, and little cabinetry as well. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Columbus 383 RLH. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Your half bath. You have washer and dryer in here, as well as a massive medicine cabinet. And then check out the ceiling height.